Good, hey mate. Crikey, bring over that shock? Whale?
Oh, that's nice.
This is just the freaking snowboard surfboard again.
The snowboard surfboards.
But wait, there's
hit the
more.
slopes.
What more is there?
What's that music? It was my idea to put a flat piece of wood on the bottom.
But then I took it a step further and put the skateboard at the bottom.
You guys are truly brilliant hackers.
Thank you.
Remember that movie?
Hello,
Hackers?
Nigel.
I do. Hello.
I love that movie. It's a good one. True story, too, by the way. So, all right, Braille drop, first try.
Dude, honestly, I got whiplash. My shin is like almost out of commission, but it's Saturday. We're here. You're here. Let's skate.
Don't be sad.
Don't be sad.
Surf's up, bro. Let's hit it.
Come on, Aaron. I know you're a little excited about this one. You can't even lie.
If I was ever not excited about anything, it was this.
Why?
What? This is dead. This is death. Death in a hand case.
You know, I was watching that surfboard at the skate park video, and you ate it going down a ramp, and it was the funniest thing ever.
Kickflip, okay? Nobody's kickflipping this. Well, do you think somebody's gonna kickflip this? I guess they take the bindings off.
This trifecta right here. 3 sports in one.
Snowboarding, surfing, and scooters?
Skateboarding and stupidity.
Straight up. I think this video should be called How to Break Your Leg the Easiest Way Tutorial. Finally, we got another tutorial in there.
You gotta hit that bank, dude.
For the stunt double. Yeah, I'm over it. No! Carlos! No, there's no way to stop. There's no way to stop. Actually, you know what? Let's go. Give me that giant puddle. Oh no, I'm gonna fall in there, aren't I?
Rest in peace, Thanos trucks, man. Oh, man.
Where's my wetsuit? Daniel is so scared of everything. Like in every video, something hits him. He's like, the point of that is going to get me.
What accent was that?
Australian. I would watch your legs if I were you, Gabe.
Teddy's just in there looking so concerned right now.
Teddy, what? Where'd your company go? Oh, it's gone. He said I'm not getting my feet wet. Well, that's the attitude.
Yep. You gotta let Carlos lock in, because then we can actually push him very fast.
He's like, yeah. I just don't lost my shoe in there.
Oh man, it's not even gonna grip that good.
Daniel, what do you think about this? Take your time.
Your shins are in danger.
I know. So are yours.
It strikes fear into my heart. Just looking at it.
Just push, push, just push.
The cliffhanger?
Oh god.
Are you sure you want to go straight to that?
Oh, you good?
Yeah.
You want to go straight to that?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Hey, just send him as fast as you can.
No, just go.
Wait, how fast though?
Just a good amount. Whatever you think I can.
Define good amount.
Because he's got to clear it.
I don't want his life on my hands.
His life is always on your
On your
hands.
contract,
Every time he's
bro.
in
My life is
this.
already in your hands.
Gotta strap in this
Like
thing
a-
at some point, man.
Yes,
Let me
you
at it.
Surf's up, bro. Okay, that's a little.
Wait, what? Okay, all right.
I mean, you might not have another
Watch
chance.
your shit.
We built this city on rock and roll.
Still tender.
I'm gonna hit the waves.
Are you gonna hit the waves? Well, Gabe, it's been nice knowing you.
Thank you for everything, Aaron Cairo.
The
Push me right there to the flat ground.
wall ride as fast as he can go.
Yes. Amazing. Wait, no. Okay. All right. Watch your shins.
He made one of these.
Whoa! Oh, dang!
Somebody's been not skipping leg day. Oh yeah, one for the girls. I love these things, man. Oh no! Oh!
What was that?
Did you hear that noise?
What was that? All right, I'm gonna land this 50-50.
You just did.
And then I did?
Damage report.
Damage report? Oh no, you're gonna break the nose off. This surfboard has been through a lot.
And then I'm gonna do a back 3, and then I'm gonna hand it over, okay?
Back 3?
Yeah. I'm trying to be a little more involved and
You
not
are?
scream anymore. That's what the people want.
You need more speed.
Want me to give you a push?
Who put that box?
Wow, that was way better. Well
put that
done.
box there?
Well done.
The sickest back 180 out of a front 50 ever.
Could have warned Troy just a smidge.
Hey Troy, watch out. All right, back 3, and then I'm good.
Down the 5?
Daniel, can you help me out, my friend? not that much speed.
Give it all. Give it all.
That's it.
Wait, what just happened?
Done.
I was about to say don't lean forward.
Don't punch Australia.
And that is my guest cameo for the entire month. Was it?
Yeah.
I went the whole way, right?
Almost.
I was thinking about doing this, like strapping in, like put it on apps.
Okay, good, I like it. Watch
it.
mine.
It's just gonna break.
Oh.
It wouldn't break, it would slow down.
The good thing is that these bindings are so solidly on there now. They're not like they were in Tahoe. They are on there.
It's true, they are on there. All right, guys, we are giving away this skateboard. It's very easy to enter. You go onto Instagram, you follow @Braille Skate, and you repost this right here. Because on March 17th, 2019 at 10 a.m., something very big and super exciting, I'm really, really, really excited about this, is happening. So repost this right here, tag 5 friends, and use the hashtag in your description, #PushSkateboarding, March 17th. Win this board. Go get it. Let's go.
All right, Aaron, give me your predictions for this.
He's dead. He's
Cool.
dead, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's gonna break.
Should we skate something else first then?
Oh no.
Well, goodbye, Carlos.
Ah, you thought I was gonna fall down. I'm probably going to though.
I am
you okay?
so completely glad that he didn't lock into that.
I told you.
You weren't wrong.
It did break. It did break.
Agree on nothing. He's like, the nose is gonna break, and then he's like, nope, still on there.
Why? Why?
Uzi's the one that thinks that that's a ladder.
Wait, can we spark some controversy in the comments real quick?
Sure.
It's bad luck to walk under ladders, correct?
Yes.
Would it still be considered bad luck to walk under that stair?
Absolutely.
Wait, so I do have that.
Mobile ladder. Look at this.
Wait, that's
Ladders.
weird. Not tell the difference from that and
This
that.
one.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna try to stay on it at this point. It's not gonna go straight.
I can't believe you were getting so close to that, Gabe. Like,
You know, I ended up helping him with that. I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. Let me at the 3 stair. Let me at it.
you do? He just eats 3 stairs for breakfast?
I got the reference all day.
Anywhere where that's not.
What about this? Yeah, this is perfect. He's dead. He literally moved that right into his way. Look,
You overthink it.
he's gonna jump and then try and turn and fall into that. I overthink everything. It's true. Yeah, let me stand here in case he falls into that.
All right, I'm gonna bone it now that I know how it feels.
What, you don't lift, bro? Oh no!
Uzi, what are you doing?
Just now.
Dude, somebody should draw a SpongeBob like in that little.
It exploded like my life.
That's soft. Exploded.
That was awesome.
Thank you.
That was the single coolest
I
thing
need to
Gabe
go a
has
little
ever
faster.
done.
Suck the knees up. Suck up the knees.
Just suck the knees.
Yeah, just So this is 3 board sports all into one.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's like the ultimate board sport. It's awesome.
What do you call it?
Surf, skate, snowboarding.
Surf, snow, skate.
But that's just a shot.
A snurf eat.
Suck those knees and twist.
I felt the wind.
Whips around, it's scary. You can feel the wind.
I thought that was gonna hit me for sure.
I feel like the Twilight Zone right now because our filmer's doing all the stunts. I get to just relax for half an hour. So this is what it's like.
He's found his calling.
Except for on a ripstick.
I was gonna say a ripstick version of this.
Oh yeah.
I had to jump over.
You need to go one more because Troy walked past. Can you imagine if it did break in half and your feet are attached? And...
Ugh. Ugh. The thing that scares me the most is it's like fiberglass, right? That just scares me. I feel like it's all in my skin.
No, but it's nice foam on the inside.
The biggest back 180s ever. I think he cleared this line.
Yeah. Fetty, you're up.
Fetty will have no part of this. Hey, Fetty, hey, you want to go?
I think that was my best performance.
That
back 180 was. I like snowboarding and binding related sports because you just
surfing.
have to send it.
No surf skate.
Gotta help Carlos up there. He's having a go. I love how he like curved the wave on the way out.
What? All right, everyone, let's just pick him up. Let's just pick him up. Oh my.
Snurf snow skate, snuffle. When you're a big wave surfer, but the sets are flat.
It's like surfing, but without the shark. Probably still could get attacked by a shark doing this, but it's like unlikely.
How do you survive that? No idea.
No, Fetty!
Back 3 has to happen
Who's got a back 3?
somewhere. That's out of my zone, man.
And you're gonna leave it to Fetty.
Yeah,
He's got it. Fetty back 3's everything.
You can barely even stand on it, and you're doing 360s on flat.
Every time snowboarding is involved in any way, Fetty automatically gets like super anxious.
It has the sharp pointed front to detour sharks.
I need to try to practice back 3. Watch out. I guess I'll send it.
Let's go. Down the 5 or 3?
5.
Someone get that man up the 5 stair.
See.
We got a back 3 incoming, fellas. Can we get some slow-mo?
No way! No way! First try!
What did I say?
I've done my civic duties.
That was incredible.
That was the most insane thing I've ever seen. I thought he was just gonna jump it. He was up there, he was like, like medium speed? I was like, you sure? He's like,
You know, he's like, you want to go really fast? I'm
just
like,
enough to clear it.
That's insane.
Let me see that slow-mo. The wheels landed and he perfectly
He
slid
pivoted,
to
right?
360 and then
Yeah.
was like, not even a hand down. Yeah, it's incredible.
There you go.
Well, I think we should bungee Carlos now.
I have to make poops. Fart and poop is not the same situation. It's not like
No, but the pooping leads to having to fart, and I don't want that right now. That was an insane turn of events that just happened, but I liked it a lot. He's gonna lose all of his momentum before he hits the wall. The worst case scenario has already been done.
Snurte board.
What?
I don't have a good feeling about this one.
Why did you go so far back though?
exactly how you stop on a snowboard.
Bet he said he stopped better on that than on the snow.
Feel me when I was at my prime at that day. I did learn how to stop by the end of that day, so we're good.
Didn't film me in my prime either. Broke my snowboard in half.
Hold up. What is this? Who is this? Who is this guy?
Wait, what the?
Yes.
Who is this guy?
What the heck?
Who is this guy? Walking in here like you own the place.
What's up, Troy?
Yo, I didn't tell anybody.
I know, I told Troy.
What's up, dude? How you doing, man?
Big news, Luke moved back. Let's go.
Why does this slide better on our hubba than it did on the snow rail?
How did he not crack his head open?
It worked.
All right, it's your moment of truth, Carlos. He's got to strap in for this dude.
Whatever he wants, dude. Wait, is he strapping in?
He's strapping in. Here, let's hold this up there.
If it breaks, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Shark bite.
It's not okay.
Didn't go as planned. Mouth to mouth.
Right?
Hit my,
Oh, that's the wrong mouth.
hit my face.
Check out all the other videos right there. You'll have an absolute blast watching those. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next video.